Hello everyone, it's Scarlett. We are now in the sample room of Pinsheng Energy Company. And what is shown here are their products. Now let Angelina talk about these batteries.
Hello. Hi everyone, how are you doing today? I am Angelina from Pinsheng Energy. We're 11 years lithium battery manufacturer in China. Mainly produce power batteries such as e-bike battery, e-scooter, AGV, EV, golf cart battery, and so on. About the energy storage batteries such as solar battery, you can see here, and the technical rack battery, here, this one, okay. And power wall, and our new product, all-in-one ESS cablet. Our product have been sold to over 60 countries over the world. Yeah. And we are dedicated to be top OEM, ODM, lithium battery factory in the world.
Yeah, very great. So Angelina, what's the advantages of your batteries?
Our lithium iron phosphate battery have the advantage: longer cycle life, no maintenance, and safe. And this battery can use over 10 years.
10 years? That's so long.
Yeah. It's not the cheapest in the market, but due to the long lifespan and super safe performance is the best choice for energy storage battery.
Okay, I believe that. So could you take us to your factory and have a look at your production line?
Yes, of course. Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Hello everyone, we are inside the workshop.
Yeah, as you can see, our factory have more than 100 skilled workers and 10 production lines with the most advanced producing equipment and testing equipment.
Oh, that's great. So we can see Pinsheng Energy Company is a very strong company. Yeah. So I hope you can receive many orders and your business continue to grow.
Thank you.
Okay, so if you are interested with our products, please feel free to contact us on the screen. Thank you for watching. Now here is the process of welding. Here is the assembling workshop. We can say here, this computer is for monitoring the data of battery. So here is the label and it will be stick on the battery.
Ether.com makes foreign trading easier. Ether.com makes foreign trading easier.